I love my Cricut carbon comb even for extensions. So this tail comb allows me to give a perfect parting all along the circumference of her head. And the parting is just so sharp and clean looking. And then the teeth are perfectly spaced apart. So there's no pulling or snagging, but yet a nice, tight, gentle sweep right through the hair. And it's great tension also. So go ahead and give me your hair, please. And I will simply drop this right onto her head, but I love to use the comb for the little details of picking her hair right through there and using this little tail for the precision that I need in order to blend it. And then sweeping the teeth right over it. Gentle, simple, and fast. Perfect.